Welcome back to Autoscope. Ford Transit Campervan 2026. Exterior and design. The 2026 Ford Transit maintains its unique exterior design while adding some contemporary upgrades. There are options for more contemporary headlights or halogen headlights with Autolamp. There are various alternatives for the front grille, including a honeycomb mesh grille with a chrome or carbon black frame for a more tough and modern appearance. For improved off-road capability, some adventure-focused versions, like the Transit Trail, could have skid plates, higher ground clearance, and all-terrain tires. A groundbreaking 6x6 model for extreme overlanding has also been reported. Interiors of campervans and conversions. Most adults can stand up straight inside because to the high roof height, making the living area much more comfortable. There are two options for the bed, fixed and convertible. When not in use, some sophisticated conversions even feature a bed that folds down into the wall. Kitchen. Furnished with a refrigerator, storage space, a sink with hot and cold water, and a 2-burner stove. A tiny dining space is also added by some. Drawers, wardrobes, and places to store luggage under beds or on benches. An advanced infotainment system featuring Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 5G connectivity, and a big display. Either a 3.5L EcoBoost V6 or a 3.5L PFDi V6 is used. With its considerable power and torque, the EcoBoost engine is perfect for towing large objects and navigating steep terrain. There is an option for intelligent all-wheel drive AWD, which improves stability and traction and is especially helpful on slick, wet, or gravel roads. It has a cutting-edge 10-speed automatic transmission that promises improved fuel economy and seamless shifting. Safety features. Large van maneuvering is made easier by technologies like parking sensors and 360-degree camera systems. For energy storage, builders frequently use complex lithium battery systems, addition of solar panels for battery charging while the car is parked.